Hello friends, I'm Parvez. In the previous video we have learned about deleting data from MySQL database in Python programming language. Now in this video I want to show you that how you can drop your complete table. So for example, I have this employee table and I want to drop this table, or in simple we can tell that I want to remove that table. For this I'm going to copy some codes from the previous video. So I want to this basic requirements of DB connection. Let me copy this and paste it in here. After this, let me create my drop query. So drop query, and I want to drop table. So if exists, so if this table exists, I want to drop this. So I want to drop the employee. Now in the try, I'm going to execute the query. So execute, and you need to add your drop query in here, and let me print something. Table dropped successfully, and in the accept, print unable to drop the table. So simple code, and let me run this. Table dropped successfully, and if I refresh my database, so now in the DB test I don't have any employee table. So thank you guys. If you have any question, suggestion, please let me know, and for the further videos subscribe the channel and also like